So one of the important concepts in the mechanical behavior of materials is the toughness. Although we have all seen are used to the concept of strength, either yield strength or tensile strength, but toughness is a tricky parameter which is not absolutely defined for each material by the stress strain curve itself. But let us look at the brief basic definitions of toughness, how it can be defined. So suppose there are applications in material where we want the material to withstand energy above the yield stress, and we do not want the material to fracture. So in all those conditions, toughness will be a parameter which will play an important role. Let us look at two particular examples of material. One is mild steel and another is high carbon steel. So we can see, although high carbon steel has higher yield strength, um, uh, lower ductility, and mild steel has lower yield strength but higher ductility. So one way of expressing toughness will be the area or the energy absorbed till fracture. So the energy absorbed can be estimated by A under the curve in the stress strain curve, and we see that mild steel absorbs higher energy till fracture than the high carbon steel. So for a material to be tough, it not only needs to possess high ductility but also yields high yield strength. So it's a combination of ductility and strength which will provide toughness to the material. So one of the ways which was used to evaluate the toughness of material was Charpy impact test, in which a pendulum was raised to a certain height and allowed to impact a specimen, and the height which it reversed was used to calculate the energy absorbed. So total work done in breaking the specimen was calculated, and but the problems were in reproducing this test in the industrial scale, and so the parameters which were evaluated on laboratory scale were not finally applicable in the industrial scale. So this was not considered to be very successful test. So to work around the problem, there was another criteria given for the toughness, that was fracture toughness. So fracture toughness is nothing but the conditions under which a sharp crack will propagate in the material. So we know that every material has some or other crack. So in practical applications, no material can be absolutely free of any crack. So fracture toughness is nothing but the conditions or the stress which is required for the propagation of crack. And a very important criteria in this regard was given by Griffith. It is also known as Griffith criteria. So toughness in effect cannot be simply defined by looking at the stress strain curve as like the other parameters, and it has to be dealt with the fracture mechanics approach, and that gives us the correct criteria for dealing with toughness.